This is Master Theory, Book 1, Lesson 27. We talk about the flat, sharp, and natural accidentals. So flat looks like me, and sharp is like a number sign. Natural is like a lightning sign, but you have to make sure there's a little square in the middle. A flat lowers the pitch a half step. A sharp raises the pitch by a half step. When we say half step, that means you're going to the very next note, no matter black or white on the piano. A natural is cancel the effect of a flat or sharp previously. So there are also double sharp and double flats. So double sharp and flat means you go up by a whole step. So double sharp sign looks like a X. We'll talk about that in book 2 or 3. So that's a double sharp, but it will be nice to know it now. Double flat, just 2 flats. Make sure it's written in lowercase to lowercase b. Now, so this is a flat, that's a sharp, that's a natural. And make sure when you write it, you need to go through the center of the notes, like either on a line or space. You need to line up on the left. A lot of students write it on the top or on the right or right below. Make sure it's lining up with the notes. See that we put the sign before the notes. Before the notes was on the left. When we say like G sharp, the sharp, if you write out the name like in the sentence, that it's called G sharp. But for example, but if you put them in the music on the staff, the sharp is going to be before the notes. That way you can react fast when you see it. All right, let's do the exercise. How many half steps are there between B and B flat? So we assume they're talking about the B going up, going down to the B flat. So in that case, it's how many half steps? Only one half step. Because it's going to the very next note on the piano, in case you don't know. So B to B flat is, this is B natural, and B flat is right here. So it's the very next key. Number 2, how many half steps are there between F and F sharp? So F, going to the right, and the very next note is a half step. The distance between that is half a step. So number 3, how many half steps are there between E flat and E? So E and then going down to E flat is also a half step. Number 4, how many half steps are there between C sharp and C? So C's, if you go up a half step from C sharp, from C is C sharp, so it's still a half step, a 1 half step. How many half notes are there between A flat and A sharp? So A flat going up a half step will be A natural, and then A sharp. So the answer will be 2 half step. And a lot of time, half step sign is like a check mark, like the one I just did between the notes. It could be upside down as well. So if you see that in your violin score, that tells you that it means close your fingers. That's the end of lesson 27.